So it is awesome to be back. I've been gone for 11 months was the last time I posted my last video. A lot has happened. Yes, I bought a little tiny house and I've been getting it together. I had to get it put in its place, skirted. Now I have a yard that I have to take care of. Just so many things were happening at one time, and I just didn't have time. And in the midst of all that, I lost my mother and my brother, so it was just a lot going on. But I'm happy to be back on my channel. It's a hobby and it gives me something to do, and I really enjoy posting videos to YouTube, so I'm happy to be back at it. And I'm back at it with some bead boxes. Over time, I have I don't want to say I've evolved because I still love doing polymer clay, but I love making jewelry with gemstones and glass beads and things like that, like just as much. I just really can't choose between the two. So that's what my channel is going to evolve to. If some of you have been here for a while, you see that my channel name has changed. It's changed a few times. It's had a long history, but I believe this is the end of the name changes. The Tiny Craft House, it just goes with my life right now and everything that's happened. So I don't want to keep going. I can fill you in on further videos if you're interested. Please forgive the nails. I'm just not totally back to like the aesthetics of the channel, but I wanted to post the video because I have started to get my bead boxes again. Right now I'm only getting 3. So I'm getting the dollar bead box, Jesse James beads, who you know I love from the past, and Sam's bead box, who is amazing. I love Sam bead box, and I chose between those 3 because of the value of them. The dollar bead box club, it's a value because if you join the bead box and get the bead box every month, you're able to go onto their website and get items for $1. It's either extra items that are in the bead box or other items that you may see on their website, which I think that's an amazing value. I'm not going to do all 3 boxes in this video. I'm going to do one video for all of them. So today we're going to open up the dollar bead box, and this is the bead box for April 2026. As I was saying, I'm really excited to get my boxes back. So I've been opening them as soon as they come in the mail. So they give you this little insert. I'm covering up the code, but you can go to the website and you can get things on the website for a discount by using the code. And in this bead box, they tell you everything that is in the bead box. I mean, it's just so much stuff in here. I've been gone so long from the beading that I've forgotten how to pronounce some of this stuff. But I do know that Czech beads are very coveted. And if you see the list, it's a list full of Czech beads. So I am excited. And let me show you what is in the box. And here is a table cup flower coin bead. And here we have 8 pieces of the Czech glass hexagon spacer beads. And here we have 6 pieces of the Czech corrugated rondelles. And here we have a Czech glass cabochon. We have 2 pieces of the Czech glass melon drops. And I think these are the Czech glass primrose. Those are really pretty. They have a really pretty luster to them. I don't know if this is, I think this is the Czech arabesque, I think. I'm not sure. I would have to look that up, but that is a very pretty bead. That's very pretty. Then we have 8 bell flowers. And again, these are all Czech beads, which is exciting to get. Very exciting to get Czech beads. These are the tabular oval beads, I believe. Got 4 pieces of those. And we have our Czech curve cube, 4 of them. And then we have our Czech glass drop beads. We also have 6 bead strands from that box. A 4mm turquoise bicone. There's 25 pieces here. And then we have a glass daisy. There's 10 pieces there. And then we have a gem cut rondelle. There's 25 pieces there of this 3mm bead. This glass pip bead, and it is a robin eggs blue with silver luster, and there's 15 pieces of that here. And then we have a Picasso bead here, 50 pieces there, and we have 25 pieces of this. I need to get back into my beading to get the names of the beads correctly, because I've sort of lost the inventory in my mind of knowing the names of different beads. But this is a definite value here. These beads, even though you can go onto their website and purchase beads for $1, that purchasing for $1 is just basically you join the club and you have the ability to do that. These beads are worth way more than $1 for the pack. If you was to go into Michael's or any of the stores, and they, even this one little bead right here, if they want to sell you that in the store, that one little bead will probably be $2 or $3 or even more. But just wanted to show you my April dollar bead box. I'm excited to get back in it. I'm not at the point where I can go ahead and make something in the video and all that, because you know I'm still trying to get my groove back for my crafting. But so exciting to be getting one of my bead boxes again. So thank you for watching, whoever has watched. There you go. I'm happy to be back. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye bye. Love ya.